To begin with, you can't even quantify the amount of talent and work and labor that's gone into this particular water feature here. But what you're going to see here is absolutely amazing. Stay tuned, check it out. And behind me is Aquascape's advanced water feature build for 2017, because it's 2018 right now. A couple of features I'm going to point out on this one here are some of the things that I got to work on myself. I'm going to show you the area where the pumps are housed, where you got 38,000 gallons per hour worth of water flow going through this thing. I'm going to also show you the waterfall, some really neat tips, and I'm going to show you some things that I've been incorporating into the work that we've been doing since we were out here on this project in August of 2017. Stay tuned, check this out. So one of the features that we've been incorporating since we were out here on this job last year is right behind me and right in front of me. What we've been doing is we've been incorporating trails that go behind the waterfall filters. And instead of pushing the waterfall filter all the way into the back corner over here like a lot of people will do, we're bringing it forward. We're putting trees in. It adds mystery, it adds detail. Again, another thing that we've been doing is on the other side over here between those trees, right over here, that's where the water, one of the major waterfall filters is for this pond, okay? But instead of creating a retaining wall that goes all the way around the back side of it like this, we break up that wall and we allow the landscaping to kind of come down and smooth its way back down into the pathway over here. Let's go up top and check it out. So now if you come up top, you can see the waterfall. You can see it well hidden over here, and you can see how it brings itself down and back down into the pond. You want to see what 30,000 gallons an hour looks like? Look at this. These are 3 Triton series pumps manufactured by Sequence. And listen how quiet the 3 of these guys are. Combined flow rate is 30,000 gallons per hour. Isn't that amazing? Bus is leaving without me. I stayed too long. I gotta go. Too many pictures for me. I cannot believe how amazing this water feature is. What I would give to live like that. That is living the aquascape lifestyle. This is exactly why I'm a certified aquascape contractor. The stuff that you see here is a dream of a job. Man, I'll tell you right now, stuff like this really makes me love my job. Would you believe I used to work in an office for 20 years before I finally hung it up and I said, forget about it. This is why I do what I do. And the homeowners, their friends, their family, their children will be blessed for years upon years upon years. But this one here is absolutely by far one of my favorite water features I've ever had the opportunity to work on. In your comments down below, put a comment down and put a dollar amount of how much you think this water feature would cost to put in.